Takamine-cho House is a unique residence designed by Tomoaki Uno Architects, located in Nagoya, Japan. Covering an area of 189 square meters, this house was completed in 2021 and showcases a highly distinctive architectural concept through the use of traditional Japanese masonry techniques. This project is not only a place of residence, but also an architectural exploration that bridges tradition with innovation. Situated in an upscale residential area surrounded by lush greenery, the house is within walking distance of Nagoya University and Nanzan University. Its strategic location provides a tranquil environment while offering easy access to educational and urban facilities. This project marks the second collaboration between the architect and the client, following the design of a clinic. With a relationship already established, the design process for the house commenced immediately without requiring a lengthy period to rebuild working trust. The primary request for this project was the application of the traditional Japanese masonry method, known as field masonry. Initially, this technique was considered merely a finishing element for the facade, but as the construction method was further explored, significant challenges emerged. Historically, Japanese masonry was used for castle foundations and stone walls, rather than as part of a building itself. The absence of previous references within Japanese architecture made the design process more complex. The architect initially struggled with adapting this technique as a structural element of the house. However, a breakthrough came upon discovering inspiration from the Tenayuca pyramids in Mexico. While not a conventional architectural structure, the pyramid provided the idea of recreating its form using traditional Japanese masonry. This led to the realization of the first ever Japanese masonry pyramid, not as a tomb like in the past, but as the client's study room. This approach enabled the creation of a monumental yet functional structure for everyday life. However, the challenges did not end there. Once construction began, the massive stones used in the project created an overwhelming visual presence, making other design elements appear imbalanced. To address this, several design decisions were revised. Initially, windows were designed with copper frames, but they were later replaced with textured black iron to better complement the scale of the building. Similarly, the flooring materials and hardware details were adjusted to harmonize with the overall aesthetics of the house. The spatial planning of the house emphasizes a balance between openness and privacy. Two main gardens, the water garden and the courtyard, are enclosed by the pyramid structure and private spaces, creating a serene atmosphere while ensuring seclusion. These gardens also strengthen the connection between interior and exterior spaces, allowing natural light and ventilation to flow optimally throughout the house. Takamine-cho House stands as an outstanding example of how traditional construction techniques can be applied within the context of modern architecture. Through an in-depth exploration of Japanese masonry methods and a flexible design approach, this house successfully emerges as a unique and innovative architectural masterpiece. Every detail reflects a deep respect for tradition while providing solutions that cater to contemporary living needs. The bold experimentation with materials and forms makes this house not just a residence, but also an expression of cultural heritage interpreted through contemporary design. Don't forget to follow Block 7 for more unique and meaningful home design inspirations.